what's up guys? Welcome back to AI Tools.
This entire AI course was built with Gauth. From stunning visuals to real AI projects and practical lessons, everything you're seeing was created inside the platform. And this is just one of the features we're going to explore today.
Back to AI Tools.
Most students do not struggle because they are not trying. They struggle because some topics are explained in a way that feels flat, confusing, or disconnected from how they actually learn. Today on AI Tools, I am testing Gauth, and especially its AI course experience.
Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share in the comments which AI you want me to review after this one.
Gauth is one of the most impressive AI learning tools I've tried because it goes far beyond simply giving you answers. The mobile app makes learning incredibly easy. All you have to do is open the camera, scan any question, whether it's math, biology, chemistry, physics, or many other subjects, and within seconds, Gauth analyzes the problem and gives you the complete solution. If you want to understand why the answer is correct instead of just seeing the result, you can simply tap for a more detailed explanation that walks you through each step. Another feature I really like is that you're not limited to a single AI model. You can choose where you want your answer to come from, whether it's Gauth's own AI, Gauth Pro, ChatGPT, Gemini, and several other powerful models. That means you can compare explanations, find the style that works best for you, and get a deeper understanding of any topic you're studying. One of the most impressive features is the AI tutor. Simply choose any topic you want to learn, and Gauth turns it into a personal lesson. The AI explains each concept in a clear, conversational way, just like a real tutor. Along the way, it asks you questions to check your understanding. You can answer, get instant feedback, and continue through the lesson at your own pace.
Life is decided the moment you were born. The king lives in a massive palace while most people cannot even afford a loaf of bread. France was divided into 3 estates where the smallest groups held all the wealth and paid 0 taxes. If you were in that bottom 98% paying for the luxury of the top 2%, how would you feel? All right. In July 1789, the people reached their limit and attacked a giant prison called the Bastille to get gunpowder. They created a famous document.
When you're ready to test yourself, switch to the quiz feature. Pick any topic, and Gauth instantly creates an interactive quiz that turns learning into a game. It's a much more engaging way to reinforce what you've just learned instead of passively reading notes. And if you need a quick review, Gauth has you covered with flashcards and TLDR summaries. Flashcards help you memorize the key concepts, while the TLDR feature condenses long lessons into the essential takeaways, making revision fast and effortless. Gauth AI also includes an AI course feature that transforms the way you learn. Instead of presenting long blocks of text, it delivers lessons through a cinematic and immersive visual learning experience. Complex topics are explained with dynamic visuals, animations, and clear narration, making each lesson feel more like watching a well-produced documentary than reading a textbook. The AI course also adapts to your learning pace, allowing you to revisit explanations, pause at any moment, and continue exactly where you left off.
The scientists who built it, were they happy or afraid?
The result is a more engaging, interactive learning experience that helps you build real understanding instead of just preparing for the next exam.
In a single flash. The lesson: just because we can build something doesn't mean we should. And many of those scientists spent the rest of their lives trying to control what they had created.
For students, I think this is where Gauth AI course makes the most sense. It is not only about getting an answer, it is about understanding the topic, seeing it visually, asking questions when you get stuck, and testing yourself afterwards so the information actually stays in your memory. You can access the cinematic pre-made AI course right now at www.gauth.com/course. Want more? Download the Gauth app today to check out exclusive UGC courses directly in the app.